How to find app version on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage as shown. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Here, scroll down and tap on any app. For example, YouTube. You can now view the version of the YouTube app right below the name. You can repeat this to find the app version of other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily find app version on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.